The Great Pyramid of Giza has stood for 4,500 years, yet we still don't fully know how it was built. No modern cranes, no machines, just human hands and a mystery that refuses to die. Millions visit the pyramids every year, staring at stones weighing up to 80 tons, perfectly aligned with the stars. It's one of the most impressive engineering feats in history. But how did ancient Egyptians do it? Let's explore the most believable theories and some mind-bending mysteries for centuries. Many believe slaves built the pyramids, but evidence suggests something different. Archaeologists discovered workers' villages, bread ovens, medical areas, signs of paid laborers, engineers, and craftsmen. They worked in rotating teams, fed and housed by the state. This was a national project, a monument to the pharaoh, built by people with pride, not chains. The most accepted idea is the ramp theory. Workers dragged massive limestone blocks on sledges, with wet sand reducing friction. Some believe a straight ramp was used. Others suggest a spiral ramp wrapping around the pyramid. Either way, it required insane planning, math, and manpower. But here's where the mystery deepens. The Great Pyramid is aligned to true north, with extreme accuracy, less than 0.07 degrees off. How did they measure that without compasses? Some think they used star tracking, especially Orion's Belt, believed to represent Osiris. The pyramids might be more than tombs. They may be cosmic monuments. Some suggest water canals were built to float stones closer. Others think internal ramps were used, discovered through scans inside the structure. And of course, there's the wild theory that aliens helped. Not proven, not likely, but definitely part of the mystique. So how were the pyramids built? Maybe ramps, maybe water, maybe engineering we still underestimate. But one thing is certain. The pyramids are a testament to human ambition and the belief in eternity. When you look at them, you're not just seeing stone, you're seeing 4,500 years of genius, faith, and mystery. If you enjoyed this journey through history, subscribe to ChronoMind AI for more stories behind humanity's greatest wonders. What mystery should we explore next?